What is up, witches and wizards? Happy Halloween! So sorry about that. Kind of experienced a few minor technical difficulties. So I figured I'd just film this in the morning, which is now. Anyways, so I'm gonna be alone on Halloween. I don't have a reason to dress up, but I like dressing up, so I want to, so I'm gonna do it. I hope you guys are down for that, because that's what we're gonna be doing. Buckle up, this is gonna be a wild ride, especially because I'm running on 4 hours of sleep and I'm a little bit shaky and I might just pass out during the course of this video. Because of the fact that, not unlike Halloween, the Met Gala was cancelled this year, I had the brilliant idea of putting the two together and making a Halloween costume that is in line with the theme for the 2020 Met Gala. So the theme for the 2020 Met Gala is about time, fashion, and duration. Great theme. You can do a lot with that, so much, especially if you're actually going to the Met Gala, which nobody is. For this, I had the brilliant idea of dressing up as the ghost of Marie Antoinette.
Talented, brilliant, incredible.
If you don't know who Marie Antoinette is, if you're not, I have prepared a little presentation. So the topic of this presentation is The Ghost of Marie Antoinette, a seasonal interpretation of the Met Gala theme. Author me, date today. This is Miss Marie Antoinette. She was the last queen of France. She was married to Louis XVI. What she did was basically just be rich while the people of France were starving. And when the people of France asked her what they should eat, she said, let them eat cake. And then she was executed in the French Revolution. Here I have some inspiration. This is Marie Antoinette in a movie. Don't know which movie. This is actually Marie Antoinette. So in both of these pictures, you can see that there is a focus on very big sort of voluminous robes, as well as gray and white wigs, which I have a wig, so that's good. I don't have a gown like that, but you know, we'll make it work. As you'll notice, the same sort of characteristics are also found in this outfit, which is from the Moschino Fall 2020 collection, which I think they targeted it at the Met Gala. I really like this collection, actually. I watched it when it came out and I think I was probably subconsciously inspired by it. I don't know. Give credit where credit is due. So it's all very much focused on luxury, opulence, stuff that I don't have, but we'll make it work. I'm not gonna buy anything for this. I don't have a budget. I don't wanna do that. After we picked out an outfit, the next step is gonna be doing my makeup. This is gonna be kind of a challenge because I don't know how to do makeup, but I'm gonna try and make it a little bit spooky, you know, because I'm dead. I'm the ghost of Marie Antoinette. I don't know if you can see that, but they had pretty heavy makeup in 18th century France. I'll try and put a twist on that. I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll see. And then, last but not least, definitely not least, we need a prop, aka a cake. As you can see in this photo, Jeremy Scott very much agrees. That's why they made these dresses that look like cakes. It's very cute. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna actually bake a cake. I also have a little inspiration board for cakes. So I recently got very much into cake decorating. I actually made a cake and posted it on my Instagram, and it was reposted by 3 cake pages. So if you guys want to see that cake, follow me on Instagram. It's at sodagoth. So for the cake, I was thinking a very sort of soft, simple, pastel kind of theme, which is also the kind of color palette that I'll be going with for the rest of the costume. But I thought we put a little twist on it. I'm not gonna tell you yet because I don't know if it's gonna work, but you'll see. In due time, you will see, or I'll tell you about it if it doesn't work. Okay, so let's get started. After much consideration, I pulled some pieces from my closet, and this selection is what I came up with. Let me just show you guys. First of all, we have these white gloves. Classic, staple, can't go wrong. Then we have this little dress moment. It obviously has nothing on Marie Antoinette's actual kind of gown. And also it has a bunch of stains right there, which I'm just noticing. I've had this for ages. It's a costume that I wore when I was 14 or something. Then we have this fur coat, which I'm not 100% sold on yet. I don't know if it really fits the aesthetic. We'll see. Maybe I'll just leave it and not wear it. We'll see. Then we have a bunch of necklaces, some pearls, some chains. And also we have this little crown, which was actually a keychain, but it fell off. Okay, so I'm gonna go put on that stuff. Okay, transition. I don't know if that worked. I hope it did. Anyway, so this is my outfit. Honestly, I think this is a bit much. I'm gonna get rid of this bad boy. As you guys can see, a white dress, a bunch of jewelry. Took me a minute to adjust that. Also, I'm wearing my Prada heels. You guys know I do not pass up an opportunity to wear them. Pretty happy with this. I think I'm gonna wear it without the jacket. It just looks a lot better. Maybe I could stuff. Oh my god, I should totally like stuff this. I'll try that. And then what's missing now is just the makeup, the wig, the crown, duh, and the cake, of course. I really love this like jewelry section. Kind of obsessed. Kind of wish I could wear this on a regular day. Much to consider. Anyways, okay, now on to makeup. I just realized that wearing the white dress while doing my makeup is probably not the best idea. This is going to be interesting. Bear in mind, I have 0 makeup brushes. I don't have a makeup brush. I do have the James Charles palette, so that's great. And then I also have this white powder, which we will be needing because 18th century French women had their pigmentation pale as a ghost, which is great because it's Halloween. Get some powder on there. I'm gonna get this all over my hoodie. Great prospects. I actually used to wear white powder in high school. That is so embarrassing. I did not know how to do makeup. It wasn't like a setting powder situation. It was literally, I did not take it off because I thought it would make my redness go away, which it did not at all. Okay, that's enough. I don't think I can put any more on it. Like, that's physically not possible. Moving on to eyeshadow, blush, contour. I don't have any of those things, so I'm gonna use the James Charles palette for everything. I was thinking like a grayish sort of purple theme. I think I'll just try and put some purple under my eye just to highlight those under eye bags that I already have. Oh my god, I literally look dead. Like, I look more dead than I usually do. Oh my god, this is perfect. How about a little bit of contour? That's gonna make me look like I have sideburns. I already know it. Oh wait, I need blush. They used to have like a lot of blush. Oh god, that really is a lot. I mean, it kind of fits the aesthetic. Oh my god, I look like a literal mess. I look like more of a clown than I usually do. It just looks kind of confusing. I'm just gonna put some on my temples just so they look hollow as well. Just for that. Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead, look. Oh my god, I put it on my pimple. That's great. Now you can't see my pimple anymore. You can still kind of see it. Now it just looks like I have a pimple, but I'm also dead. That's what I was always concerned about when they were like, vampires don't age. Like, vampires get to a certain age and then they just stop aging. But what if at that specific age they have a pimple? Like, are they always gonna keep the pimple? Does their skin ever get better? Like, what is it? I don't get it. Anyways, wait. Ooh, I have an idea. I don't know if this is gonna work. Ew. Okay, they have to look super pale. Do they look super pale yet? Yes. I think that's actually pretty good. And now in the middle, I'm putting, it's like a little heart. Wait, I want to put some on my eyes just to give it a little bit of pizzazz, you know? I'll just put on some more mascara and then we're good to go. Actually, then we're gonna make the cake. Yeah. Oh my god, I have to go super far away. You guys will not see the cake. I'm gonna move this situation. Okay, so now you guys can see. That's great. Here's the cake. It doesn't look super impressive, but it will, okay? It will. And then I just have some decorating things. Okay, so this cake will consist of 2 layers, which I've already pre-cut. And the little twist that this cake will be having is that there's gonna be like a little hole in the middle that I'm putting strawberry sauce in. So when you cut it open, it looks like blood. Halloween, woo! I really do hope it works. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Maybe I should have put something under it. I'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. It's fine. It's all good. Okay, so now that we have a nice little hole, more of a dent, a nice little dent, I'll try and put in the strawberry sauce. Looks like blood juice. Just fill that up. Cool. Okay, perfect. So now I have to put frosting on the edges. I'm not using frosting, I'm using yogurt. This is pretty thick. It's like soy yogurt. Is it working? I think so, it's kind of working. It's just gonna be a little bit rough around the edges. It's a rustic kind of cake, you know? Okay, I like that. I just hope it sticks and doesn't like run down. Like that would be very inconvenient. Yum! It's not gross because no one except me is gonna eat it. Oh god. Oh my god, now it's dripping on my leg. Okay, you know what? I'll take it. I love it. It's great. Okay, so I dyed some of the yogurt that I had left purple and I put it in this bag and I'm gonna try and make like a little pattern. I'm scared. Okay, here goes nothing. Hello. Oh my god, this is not working. Oh god, you have no idea how bad this is and how stressful this is. Ew, I'm just squeezing the life out of this bag. Can we fix this? No! I'm gonna have to put like stuff on the side. Wait, let me show you guys. This is what it looks like so far. Oh my god, this looks so freaking bad. What is that? Oh my god. Look at me. Look at me. This is the face of a maniac. Maniac. You were with your friends partying. Okay, let me stop. This is just ridiculous. Ridiculous. Should I put like random stuff on there? What do we have here? I have something cute. This is like a cute. I think this is soap. Ooh, I'm not putting that one. And let me get a knife. I have these like 3 strawberries that were left. I think I'm just gonna cut those up and put them where the freaking ugly ass whatever it is at the moment. They're slipping off of it. Fuck, this is so ugly. I love it. Okay, we have some sparkles right here. That's always good. Just gonna throw those on there. Okay, they're going all over my floor. That's okay. Make it rain. It tastes like nothing. They taste like sugar. This is gonna ruin it. Remember the crown I showed you that doesn't have a keychain anymore? Well, I'm putting it right in the middle. So that's it. That's my cake. This is my cake. We got the frozen, but not anymore, frozen strawberries right here. We got the little crown right there with a little piece of paper. I didn't want to put the crown on the cake because it's a keychain and like people touch it and like it's kind of gross. Anyways, so yeah. What do you think of the cake? I think I need to like give my makeup a little touch up because fuck, it's so late. I didn't sleep at all. I did 4 hours. You guys, I'm dying. Can you tell? Anyways. Oh, you like my hair? Thanks, I just bought it. Oh, the crown, yeah, it's custom. So this cake, by the way. You want it? You can have it. I don't want it, I'm keto. I'm keto.